Hey guys, it's me again. Are you guys excited for the new Pokemon expansion pass update? I hope you are, because today I'm gonna draw Kubfu, one of the exclusive Pokemon that are in this game. If you must know, Kubfu is a, well, I don't know what type of Pokemon he is, but I assume that he's a normal type, and from what I've heard, normal types don't have much power, but they don't have much disadvantages. This is why everyone must be on alert for these new assignments of the new Pokemon series. So when you're drawing him, you always start with the eyes. And tell everyone why. He doesn't want to be. I'm sorry. What? My turn. So okay, be sure to draw his paw. Jordan! He doesn't want to be. What is he? What is he? He's giving away his soul. Jordan! He's throwing away. Okay, so here's his other paw. There's his scarf. And that's how you draw Kubfu. I hope you guys are excited for the new Pokemon updates coming out. And believe me, it's gonna be so awesome. I can't wait to see what kind of Pokemon there are gonna be besides Gigantamax besides the Galarian Slowpoke and the other 3 Gigantamaxes and Kubfu's evolved form. I can't wait to see how it progresses. Till then, I'm gonna sign off for now. I'll see you guys later.